hostile land has now transformed into the Lost City, evolving into a valuable asset in Sea of Conquest. It provides attribute bonuses such as extra HP, impact, armor, and attack to your fleet rather than serving merely as decoration. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the Lost City, explaining how it works and what you can do with it. How it works: Lost City is an underwater base where we can place landscapes and decorations. While we aren't particularly fans of decorations, we arrange them neatly. You can drag and organize them as you wish. We can also lock the building positions by enabling the lock position feature, ensuring we don't accidentally move them around. Our focus is on generating attribute bonuses to enhance our fleet. For instance, we gained 64,000 bonus HP from the level 4 bell tower, which boosts the HP of all our ships in the fleet. At the start, we only had a temple serving as our main base. It provides population capacity, landscape token production, token storage limit, and placement limits. We will go through each aspect one by one later. There are three types of buildings: population, landscape, and decoration. Population buildings increase population capacity, landscape buildings provide attribute bonuses and prosperity, and decorations increase prosperity. The placement limit restricts the number of buildings we can place in the Lost City. Currency. Landscape tokens serve as currency in the Lost City. We use these tokens to purchase decorations and landscapes from the store. After purchasing, you can place multiple decorations in the Lost City. However, we cannot place multiple identical landscapes, although we can buy several copies. These copies are used to upgrade existing landscapes up to level 30. In addition to decorations, landscape tokens are also needed to upgrade the temple. Tokens are produced in the temple itself. For example, a level 7 temple generates 140 tokens per hour. The storage limit for tokens is 1,680, meaning it will be filled after 12 hours. Collecting tokens regularly is essential, otherwise the temple will cease production once the storage is full until space is available. We can also earn additional tokens by visiting other players, with 10 visits allowed daily. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Population. We currently have a population capacity of 240, provided by the temple. There are several ways to increase the capacity. Upgrading the temple is the first option. Acquiring land at the port will also raise the population limit. However, we must purchase Atlantis crystals to bid or buy the land, which costs money. For example, level 8 land provides 360 population and costs about $100. Let's put it aside since we don't see an immediate need for this right now. The third option involves placing and upgrading population buildings. For example, the S5 houseboat can increase the population limit by 6,350 at level 30. However, the houseboat is currently not available. So, what does the population do in the Lost City? The population is necessary when placing or upgrading landscape buildings. It's also required to activate the wonder. Currently, our population stands at 214. Once we have reached 240, we can't place or upgrade landscape buildings until we increase the population limit. Prosperity. To upgrade the temple, we must achieve a certain level of prosperity. For instance, upgrading to a level 4 temple requires 108 prosperity. Placing decorations and landscaping elements in the Lost City will increase your prosperity. Therefore, we must place some decorations before leveling the temple to level 4. Strategy. Our main objective is to quickly upgrade the temple to increase the production rate of landscape tokens. Next, we should purchase landscapes from the store and either place or upgrade them to enhance the attribute bonuses. We will avoid spending extra tokens on prosperity or population unless upgrading the temple and landscapes is necessary. The attribute bonuses are our sole goal from the Lost City. Collect them swiftly to gain an advantage over your opponents without any cost. Alright, is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.